On Thursday, September the 16th, Hotel Backpackers was suddenly hit by a torrential storm that came from the south and felt like a hurricane. Tables were thrown across the restaurant and into the river. Our roof was torn off of the rooms of the hotel. Trees were falling near our hotel and also in our parking lot. It was fast and it was furious, and it was not what we were expecting. After a year and a half of just barely getting by, having been closed for over 6 months last year, we don't have it in our budget for these kind of reparations. We need your help. We're calling on Casa Guatemala's supporters to help us rebuild so that our social enterprise can continue its important work to provide funding for Casa Guatemala and our programs. With COVID and the hurricanes last year, we've just barely been able to scrape by. But with this storm, there's no way we can continue without support. Please, we know there's so many places that are asking for your support at this time, but if you can, spare a little bit and help us to rebuild our hotel so we can continue supporting locals with jobs, providing accessible tourism, and providing funds to Casa Guatemala so that our kids are able to have education, nutrition, and health care year-round. You can make your donation to our online campaign or via our website. For more information, contact us at www.casaguatemala.com.